Right.
Hi, everyone. This is Ahmed Hassan with you. And as discussed, that I'll be creating a video for all of you to help you out to use artificial intelligence and how to take work from artificial intelligence and how to make things easy for you as an individual. So let's start with the first thing. Number one point is I want to show you the best option, a free option through which you will be able to access ChatGPT at your Chrome. And other than that, we discussed in our last meeting that we'll be finding a way how to convert the ChatGPT results or reports or whatever prompts we provide to the ChatGPT from there to PowerPoint, to convert Word document into the PowerPoint. So we'll see all those areas. So let's go into the screen and check out things. Okay. So let me share the screen with all of you. First of all, I want all of you to create a user ID for yourself in ChatGPT. The website is openai.com, and from there you can just click on ChatGPT, try ChatGPT, and click yourself and get it done. Once you have your login and password, you can access ChatGPT anywhere in the world. Okay. So now let me show you one extension through which you will be able to access ChatGPT easily. So the extension name is harpa.ai. So if you just go to chrome.google.com and search for Harpa AI ChatGPT, you'll be able to see the first point, the first extension, which is shown with the lady with white hair, harpa.ai. You can click on that and add it to Chrome. This is the step number one. Once you add it into the Chrome, add extension. Once the add extension is done, you can see already Harpa is being activated in your Chrome. This is clear. Now it is already done. So what we have to do, we just close it off and we start using the Harpa. How we can use the Harpa? First of all, you have to go to the Chrome extensions. This hammer type logo you can see on the corner, right side corner of your screen. Over there, if you go, just search for harpa.ai. If you can see harpa.ai, just spin this extension onto the Chrome. Once you do that, you can see a small round like Harpa AI Browse Mind has access to this website, which means now you have given the access to harpa.ai to access your Chrome extension. It's fine. It's normal. We are having a lot of extensions which you can use on a daily basis to help you out. Same is the case with harpa.ai. Now, as you have already given the access to harpa.ai, important thing is that you have to log in at the backend of ChatGPT to access this. So once you have ChatGPT, you log in into your ChatGPT. Okay, see, you can see I'm already logged in into my ChatGPT chat. Now, if I want to access the Harpa, I just go and click on the extension harpa.ai, and you can see on the right hand side, the dashboard has opened for the monitor for AI. Now, let me show you a small example of a lesson plan, which you can convert that into the PowerPoint. This was another request from many of members whom I'm helping you out. So this is the number one. Let's say prepare a lesson plan on, let's say, mountains and rivers for grade 5 for a 40-minute class. You give the prompt to the harpa.ai and it will start accessing everything. You can see it started working on it and it is giving us all the materials, the objectives, the procedures, the intros. Okay, that's it. That is for the lesson plan. Now you've got the lesson plan. Now you have to teach this lesson plan into the class with the PPT. So you don't have a PPT, you don't have time for creating a PPT, you don't have time to do the typing job and all. You need to be smart enough, right? So how to get that thing into PowerPoint? So you will ask the harpa.ai, which is a backend of the ChatGPT. Ask the AI to give you the PPT version of this one. So prepare a class PPT for the above. Okay, I just gave a prompt to the ChatGPT and it will now create. So it says it will start creating the slides automatically. You can see I'm not doing anything. My hands are here and ChatGPT has taken over all from me. Now it's already informing the system that the slide number 1, what is to be there, slide number 2, what is to be there, slide number 3, what has to be there, slide number 4, until the worksheet and conclusion and all. Exactly the same thing what you have mentioned in your lesson plan. It will create a PPT for all of you and it will make your life very, very easy. Okay. Now what do you have to do? You have to go back and just copy the same. So I want to copy this, copy to clipboard. Now there is a catch. Now, if you copy this and paste it in your Word document, which is on your dashboard or which is on your system or your desktop, it will not create a PowerPoint presentation for you. But there is a new AI tool in Microsoft online version. So we'll go to that version and just check it out, how it works. So I'll take you to the home of office.com. So you go to the office.com, you log in with your username and password for the office, and you just click on Word. You can see there are options: Outlook, Teams, Office, Word Office, Excel Office, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Forms. So I just click on Word. Very easy. So I'll just create a new blank document for myself. Now, once the blank document will open, I just show you. I've already copied my prompt from the ChatGPT. I'll just paste it here. You can see already it's been pasted. Okay, now I don't want this prompt to be shown to the students, so I don't need this. Okay, so I will just delete it because that was a prompt which was given by AI. Now, the title slide number 1 was about mountains and rivers. Okay, you all can see the screen. Okay, important thing is to create something informative for the AI to know what is important. Okay, let me show you something about that. Example for this one. Okay, I want this to be as a heading, style. So AI will be able to know that this is a first slide for me. So if you click on the slide number 1, okay, and just hold it and go to slides and click on heading 1. Okay, same you have to do it with all these slides. Okay, same. I'm just doing it for all of you. Slide 2. Styles, heading. Then slide 4. Heading. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes of yours. So else one option is this. Other option is you can just select one by one and click on these buttons and start doing it. Heading. Heading. Number 7. We went to number 7, which is again a heading for us. Slide number 8, which is again a heading for us. Slide number 9, again a heading for us. Slide number 10, again, a heading for us. Slide number 11, again, a heading for us. Now, as we have already sorted out, this last part is not required. Okay. So I'll just make it a little big for all of you, so you'll be able to see that how it looks like. Now you can see the slide number 1 is mountains and rivers. This is the title of the lesson. Grade level is mentioned. Slide number 2, slide number 3, and all. Now you will go to File and click on Save As. Okay, you have to give this as a copy. So save as whichever name you want to give. Let's say example, mountains and rivers example. Okay, and you can save it on your desktop, wherever you're saving most of your time. So once you save it on that area, okay, and let me see where I can save my files. I click it on desktop and I save here. Okay, for me it's easy to save it on desktop. Later on I can just keep it anywhere. So once the file is saved, now the real part will work. Now what do you have to do? You click on File, Export, and if you can see, Export to PowerPoint presentation. Just click that once. I click on that with the design theme, and let's see the magic happens. So now the AI will take all the information from the Word document and convert that into the, so I just say, okay, export. Now they're preparing the slides for me, summarizing the content, adding the theme. The presentation is ready. Let me open a presentation for all of you. Done. Her part is done. The presentation is ready. And you all can see the slide is mentioned. Everything is mentioned. You want to change the designer, click on the design, and you can change whatever styles or options you want to change. You can just see if you like this way, you want this way, it's your choice. And you can use it as you want. You can use the same. Let's say I like this way, so I'll use this way. If this is not required, just click on Del. Okay, next slide number 1, mountains and rivers. So already it has taken a photograph from the system. Okay, the next part is the slide number 2. Okay, you like this way or you want this way, so it's your choice. Again, you can change it whichever style you want to change. Definition of the mountains, famous mountains. Slide number 5, already everything is done. Famous rivers. Okay, and accordingly you can change it out. Okay, clear? I hope it's clear now. If you still have any doubts, you can come back to me and message me. I'll reply you. Thank you very much, everyone, and hope you like the concept of AI, helping AI to us to make our life easy. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.